Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Patreon to earn monthly support from US fans. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Patreon, visit the official website at www.patreon. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner of the homepage. You can choose to sign up using your email address or link your account to Facebook or Google. If you choose to use your email, enter your email address and create a password. After filling in the required information, click Sign Up. Once registered, you'll be prompted to set up your creator account. Select the type of creator you are, such as artist, podcaster, or writer. Fill out your profile details, including your display name and a short description of what you create. Next, upload a profile picture and a cover image that represents your work. After your profile is set up, it's time to create your membership tiers. Click on the Memberships tab to define your tiers. Decide how many tiers you want to offer and their monthly price points. For each tier, outline the benefits that patrons will receive, such as exclusive content or early access. Make sure to add a short description for each tier to entice potential patrons. Once your tiers are set, click on Save Changes. Now, it's essential to set up your payment method to receive funds. Navigate to the My Profile tab and select Settings. Under the Payout section, fill in the necessary information to connect your bank account or PayPal. After setting up payment details, return to your main dashboard. Consider creating an introductory post to welcome your first patrons. Be sure to share your Patreon link on your social media platforms. Engage with your audience by promoting your Patreon frequently. Regularly update your patrons with fresh content and exclusive updates. Monitor your Patreon dashboard to keep track of your earnings and member growth. With these steps completed, you're now ready to start earning monthly support from your fans on Patreon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.